happened to you last Friday?
Last last Friday, I have a meeting with my customer. So I changed the class. Yes.
Okay, that's okay. All right, so how was your weekend?
Weekend, I rest in home and
Mm-mm.
hang out without friend. Hang out with my friend and travel
Mm-hmm.
to Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very good. Okay, and
Mm.
so any special plans
Yeah.
for the next days?
Uh, I already have scheduled to meeting with the customer.
Mm-hmm.
So next morning I prepare, and at the lunchtime I
Mm-hmm.
I have meeting with my customer.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
So last time we were able to talk about lesson one and two.
Yeah.
Did you send your homework for lesson one?
Yes. Lesson on send homework, and
Mm-mm.
I have a report. So I send to your community room about that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, there. You sent it yesterday. Or no, was
Yeah.
it today? Yesterday. So, lesson two. Oh, so you're done with lesson two also.
Yes. Also, that.
Wait. Just a moment. Just give me a minute for me to check it.
Okay.
Oh, you need to um, repeat, record again the pronunciation only. So the sentence was good.
Yes.
However, the pronunciation of E sound,
Yes.
it's like a long E sound.
Yes.
Okay? So you need to re-upload the short I sound only.
Yeah.
All right. So can you pronounce long E three times and then short I three times?
Oh. E E E.
Short I.
Uh, it it it.
Okay. Yeah, I think that is good. So, yeah. We're done with lesson two. So we will continue with lesson three.
Teacher. But my homework lesson one have sentence have some error. So could you check about that?
Check. Lesson one. Oh, okay. So you need to re-upload the whole homework for lesson one.
Yes.
So pronounce long E three times
Yeah.
and then read the sentence one more time. Okay, so let's try first. Um, can you pronounce three times long E?
Okay. E E
Longer.
E E
Longer.
E. Oh.
E. E.
E
E.
E E E.
Okay, that's better. Take 1 second to pronounce it. Okay.
Yeah.
And then the individual words. Let's start with believes.
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 Grieving.
Grieving.
Again, grieving.
Grieving.
Thief.
Thief.
Longer, thief.
Thief.
Okay. So my niece believes that a grieving thief named Charlie took a piece of her jewelry.
My niece believes that a grieving thief named Charlie took a piece of her jewelry.
Again, one more time.
Yeah.
My niece believes that a grieving thief named Charlie took a piece of her jewelry.
My niece believes that a grieving
Longer. Believes. Okay. Don't say believes. Okay.
Yeah.
Make it longer.
My niece believes that a grieving thief
Grieving.
grieving.
Mhm.
My niece believes that a grieving thief named Charlie
Thief. Longer.
thief
Mhm.
named Charlie took a piece of her jewelry.
Okay. So yeah, you have the tendency to pronounce these words with short I sound, like
Sure, that's it.
grieving, thief.
Grieving.
So don't say that. Make it
Yeah.
longer.
Yes.
Exaggerate the sounds.
Okay.
Okay. So grieving and then thief.
Grieving.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. And for lesson 2, just the pronunciation of short I sound.
Yes.
Okay. That's it. That's the only thing that you need to re-upload. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
Any more questions?
No more question. Yes.
Okay. So let's try to uh, compare them. Have a comparison
Okay.
between long E sound and short I sound on lesson 3.
Okay.
That. So let's start with letter A. So
Yes.
read the words. So again, exaggerate the long E sound, and for the short I sound, make it shorter.
Yes.
Let's start with number 1.
Beat. Beat.
Longer.
Beat. Beat.
Very good. Better.
Beat. Beat.
Mm-hmm.
Bin. Bin.
Okay. Longer for long E sound.
Yes. Chip. Chip.
Cheap. Chip.
Chip. Chip.
Mm-hmm.
Did. Did.
Mm-hmm.
Eat. Eat.
Mm-hmm.
일. 일.
Mm-hmm.
feel. feel.
Mm-hmm.
fit. fit.
Mm-hmm.
그, green. green.
Longer.
green. green.
Mm-hmm.
hill. hill.
Mm-hmm.
진. 진. kin. kin.
Mm-hmm.
lead. lead. list. list. peach. peach. peak. peak. pit. pit. thin. thin.
Longer. Thin. Thin.
thin. thin.
Mm-hmm.
thick. thick.
Okay, very good. So again, make it longer, okay? Exaggerate.
Yes.
You are almost pronouncing it with short I sound. So again,
Sure.
remember long E.
Okay.
Long E. Make it longer.
Yeah.
Okay, so for here, read the sentence twice with different answer. For example, number one, luckily we won the bid. Luckily we won the bid.
Uh,
So twice.
okay.
Different answer. Number two.
Uh, I heard that you beat Steve.
Mm-hmm.
I heard that you beat Steve.
Okay, good. Three.
You've got some wonderful uh, feast.
Mm-hmm.
You've got some wonderful feast.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
Tessa and Eden are living happily.
Mm-hmm.
Tessa and Eden are living happily.
Okay.
It's filled with water.
Mm-hmm.
Is filled with water.
Mm-hmm.
The detective said that he's looking for some lead. The detective
Okay.
said that he's looking for some lead.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Mm, Abe, Ab, Ab took
Abe.
Abe,
Mm-hmm.
Abe took those beans to his house.
Mm-hmm.
Abe took those beans to his house.
Okay.
I want to buy your meal. I want
Mm-hmm.
to buy your meal.
Okay. Right.
We definitely need Jean to complete the project. We definitely need Jean to complete the project.
Okay. And 10.
Sandra has a perfect peach.
Mm-hmm.
Sandra has a perfect peach.
Okay. Okay, let's go to the comparison practice while we still have time. Number one.
Okay. Uh, Tim's team was licked by the leaking loop.
Again, try to make it faster. Tim's team was licked by the leaking roof.
Tim's team was licked by the leaking loop.
Okay, better. Number two.
Pips and Pete shipped the ships cheaply.
Again, short, long, short, long, short, long. So Pip and Pete shipped the sheep ships cheaply.
Pips Pips and Pete shipped
Hmm.
the ships cheaply.
Okay. Number three.
Uh, those beans are for Bill
Hmm.
Bill's beans.
Again, those bins are for Bill's beans.
Those beans are for Bill Bill's beans.
Bill's beans.
Bill
Short, long, long.
those beans are for Bill's beans.
Okay, make it longer. Bill bills beans.
Bill bills beans.
Okay, 4.
Does Jim still Jill's jeans?
Okay, 5.
Will Wheeler's team get many hits in this heat?
One more. Will Wheeler's team get many hits in this heat?
Will Will Wheeler's team get many hits in this heat?
Okay, 6.
The girl snickered at Jill and Jean's sneakers.
Okay, very good. Okay, well, Robert, we will continue this in the morning.
Yes.
Okay? Because
Yeah.
I saw our regular class is actually in the morning, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. So we will be continuing this in the morning before your work, okay?
Yes, okay.
All right. So I'll talk to you again in the morning. For now, you need to rest.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
All right. Have a great night. I'll see you later.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye. Oh, gosh.